Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, enhanced Rafale for India's MRFA program. The IAF is gearing up to issue a request for proposal for its medium-range fighter aircraft program later this year. The significant procurement aimed at acquiring 114 indigenously manufactured jets with technology transfer is expected to reshape the IAF's combat capabilities. Dassault Aviation, the manufacturer of Rafale fighter, has already delivered 36 aircraft to India, incorporating India's specific enhancements in the F4 standard over the baseline F3R configuration. Next, anti-tank missile challenge. The Indian defense industry is witnessing a surge in anti-tank guided missile development, with multiple players vying for a slice of the lucrative market. VEM Technologies has emerged as a prominent contender with its indigenously developed ASI BAL ATGM. ASI BAL is a third generation fire and forget missile equipped with a tandem high explosive anti-tank warhead capable of penetrating up to 850 mm of armor. Weighing a total of 18.5 kg, the system boasts a compact design, making it highly portable for infantry soldiers. The missile has successfully cleared army trials. Next, gearing up for modernized artillery with towed gun system procurement. In a significant move to bolster its artillery capabilities, the Indian Army is set to acquire new towed gun systems. Earlier this year, the Defense Acquisition Council approved the procurement, paving the way for a substantial upgrade in firepower. Next, working mechanism for consultation and coordination on India-China border affairs. The 30th meeting of the Working Mechanism for Consultation and Coordination on India-China Border Affairs was held on 31st July 2024 in New Delhi. Sri Gaurangalal Das, Joint Secretary East Asia from the Ministry of External Affairs, led the Indian delegation. The Chinese delegation was led by Mr. Hong Liang, Director General of the Boundary and Oceanic Department of the Chinese Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Next, Tarang Shakti exercise to be held in 2 phases in August-September. Air forces from the US, Germany, France and several other countries will take part in Tarang Shakti, the largest multilateral air exercises in India that will showcase the country's defense prowess and provide a platform to participating forces to foster interoperability, a top IAF official said on Wednesday. The first phase of Tarang Shakti will be held at Sulur in Tamil Nadu from August 16 to 14 and the second phase from August 29th September 14 at Rajasthan, Jodhpur, Russia, and Israel will not be participating in the exercises. Next, balloon satellite designed by students. A balloon satellite designed by students of Mohan Babu University, NARL and IIST flew into Ningi on Saturday to learn about changes in the atmosphere, pressure and the other features. Chancellor Mohan Babu, Professor Chancellor Manchu Vishnu, along with ISRO Chandrayaan-3 Project Director Dr. Veera Muthuvel, Dr. Kalpana Kalahasti, OceanSat 3 Mission Project Director Dr. Tanmay Shelvi, Group Director Gopi Krishna, along with NARL and IIST scientists attended the program as chief guest. Thank you.